today I'm going to be testing out the Wet n Wild Goth-O-Graphic collection, which you guys know I'm giving one of these away. So I will link that giveaway below. I am going to draw for the winner on March 2nd, which is this Friday. I'm so excited to try this. So I've seen mixed reviews. Normally I don't watch before I film if it's a review because I don't want to be biased, but I've seen both. I've seen people that love it, people that like a few things but they don't really like the whole collection. I've seen people that just don't like it at all. So I'm excited to try for myself because I love holographic everything and I'm excited to see it on. So you have the Moon Tear setting powder, which I am kind of scared to use because it appears very glittery on other reviews, so we'll see. And then this is the Mega Glow highlighting stick. This is the Mega Glow highlighting powder, which we know in the past we've loved their highlighting powders, and they have sold out. So when they come back in stock, they immediately sell back out. So we know those are probably going to be good, or we are pretty sure. There's two different limited edition shades. And then these are all the liquid catsuit lip glosses. And I'm super excited about a couple of these. And then these are the Mega Liner metallic liquid eyeliners. And then these are new, I think, to Wet n Wild. These are the liquid catsuit liquid eyeshadows. So yes, I'm super excited to put this on my face. So let's jump into it. At the end, I will actually apply them on my face, but right now I'm just gonna swatch them for you. So this is Pure Intention, which is the pearl white. Okay, let's see. It's kind of light, so I'm just gonna double or triple it up. This goes on really smoothly though. Can you see how pretty that highlight is? So I would probably use that over something as a topper or under the brow for a brow highlight. The next one is Mystic Dreamer, which is the pink. So that's really pretty too. That would probably be better as a topper as well, unless you were using it. Both of these you could use as an inner corner highlight, brow highlight. All right, and then the next one is Goth Tears, and that's the purpley one that I'm probably gonna put on. So that's really pretty. I'm really loving that because for some reason, you know, I used to never like purple at all. And purple has become one of my favorite shades to wear. I don't know what it is, but my skin has pink undertones, so maybe that's why, I don't know. Anyway, this one is Nyctophilia, which is the blacky purple. This one goes on a little bit chunky, if I'm being completely honest. Might be because it's on my arm, but it just is a little bit thicker than the others. And it's kind of streaky. I would probably use that on my bottom lash line or outer corner. All right, and then let's go with the liquid eyeliners. I'll swatch these on my hand for you. So this one is Black Butterfly, which is the purple. Okay, so they don't go on immediately smoothly. It looks like you may have to work with them. That's when I winged it. And then the next one is the pink one, which is Pink Coffin. Whoa, my brush is all jacked up. Can you see that? I guess at the factory it didn't go in correctly. Well, that sucks. Okay, I'll do my best. The pink one goes on smoother than the purple. I didn't have to try as hard with that one. And then the white is Skull Prayer. Okay, the white is gonna take a minute and a few layers to get it to show up correctly. But if you use white eyeliner is really hard to work with anyway. Yeah, it's taken a minute. It's just very sheer when you first put it on. So anyway, that's when I layered. It is really pretty. I love pearl shades, so that's really probably something that I'm gonna use anyway, even if it is a little bit harder to work with. I'm not the picky person that's like, oh, I hate fallout and I hate layering and I hate taking time to mess with eyeliner. No, I'm the meticulous one that I don't really care how long it takes as long as it looks good when I'm finished. Wet n Wild's really been coming through with their marketing lately. I'm feeling like spring and summer are gonna be all holographic. I've seen holographic, which I'm so excited because the 90s are coming back and I'm such a 90s baby. So 90s holographic backpacks are coming back. I've seen the t-shirts like we used to get at Limited Too. They have like the little cutout with the smiley face, except it's something holographic. So I love that the holographic trend is coming back because that was one of my favorite times of my life. So Death to Unicorns is kind of an ode or tribute to holographic coming in, but unicorns going out. And I think that's kind of cute that they used the black as Death to Unicorns. Anyway, so this is Death to Unicorns in the liquid lipstick, the liquid catsuit. So it's a little bit, for a black, it's kind of sheer and chunky. Do you see that? Yeah, it's not too smooth, but I can see how you could make it work. I would probably use a lip brush instead of this applicator. Next is Gunmetal Heart, which is gray. I'm a little concerned about these. So it's taken a few layers and it's very sheer. That's not one that I probably would use. It's really chunky, really sheer, and really hard to apply. Next we have Pastel Grunge, which is a bluey purple. These are kind of powdery. I think that's what's making them chunky, but they're not a powder to liquid lip. It's weird. So this one's very, very chunky, very powdery, super chunky. The last one is Wicked Pink, which I love pink. I think lighter colors are easier to work with anyway, so it probably will look better, but it's still taking a few layers. It's still pretty sheer. These obviously, I mean, it says liquid lipstick. Let me see. Yeah, it says metallic lipstick. So for a lipstick, this is very sheer. I would definitely use these as a topper and definitely over a liquid matte lipstick, because if you're doing this over a gloss, it's gonna be super chunky. So it's a really pretty color, but they're all pretty powdery and chunky and just hard to apply. Unfortunately, because I was really looking forward to those. I was really hoping that would work. I'm gonna swatch the highlighting stick on the back of this hand, but oh, it has like this little lid to protect it, I guess. And then, so that's pretty. Let's see how it applies. Now I already have foundation and everything on, so I'm hoping this doesn't take my foundation off. So there it is on the skin. Ooh, that's really pretty. I hope it looks that good on my face. That is super pretty. It's definitely wetter than I expected for a stick. It's not where you have to like scrape it across your skin. Next, we have the two highlighting powders, and these are both limited edition. This is called Purple Ashes. I'm just gonna swatch it with my finger. So there is, I don't think you can see it on camera. It's really cute though. It has a little skull embossed in there. Okay, so this is Purple Ashes. Can you see? It is really pretty though. I think it's gonna look really pretty on. Oh my gosh, these are Wet n Wild. Step up your game on your packaging because these are really hard to open. Okay, finally. All right, this is White Raven highlighting powder. So this one also, I don't think you can see. All right, so yeah, it has a skull embossed. I'm also gonna swatch this one with a different finger. Ooh, that's really pretty. So it has a purpley pink undertone. This is it right here. That's pretty. Both of those are really pretty, but the pink one, or the purple ashes, doesn't show up as much. But if you're going for a subtle highlight, then maybe that'll work for you. All right, and then last but not least, we have the Moon Tears setting powder. If I can get it out. Oh, I just broke a nail. Oh, I broke it. No. Stupid Wet n Wild and your hard packaging. Okay, well, now I look like this. Anyway. All right, so this is the Moon Tears setting powder. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, wow. Okay, so it's super fine and super glittery. It has a cute little skull in there instead of just the traditional circle, but it is super fine. I don't know if you can see how fine that is. Yeah, it's like that. So I don't think I would use this all over my face unless I were gonna go to a rave, but it is really pretty. I think I would use it as body glitter, or maybe sprinkle it in my hair, or mix it into my hair gel or something. Or mix it into your lotion or your self tanner maybe. That would be really pretty to use it as a bronzer lotion in the summer. There you go, you're welcome. All right, I'm gonna use that as a setting powder because that's what it's intended for. We'll just see how it turns out. I'm really scared. I think I'm just gonna dust it on with a big fluffy brush, because if I put that on, no, I'm not gonna use that first. I think I'm gonna actually put on like a full eyeshadow look and use this where I want to use it and see how it's gonna look, because that's how I'm gonna use it, honestly. I've been loving the hell out of these Kristen Leanne palettes. So I'm gonna use the Kaleidoscope palette. I'm gonna use the Daydream palette also. So I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Pro fluffy brush, and I'm gonna use Lucy as my all over transition shade. Next, I'm gonna go in with 13th Floor, which is the black, on a crease brush. So I took that on my outer corner and kind of winged it out, and I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend this out. Now I'm gonna go in with Goth Tears. All right, and I'm gonna take the black one, which is Nyctophilia, on my outer corners. Okay, let's just go there. Let's just use this over top of that black 13th Floor. So I was just gonna do my outer corners, but I decided to go ahead and wing it and make it really dramatic. Now I'm gonna use Mystic Dreamer just over the center of my eyeball. I'm trying to use all of these. So this is Pure Intentions on my inner corner. And then I'm gonna go back with Goth Tears to finish out the bottom lash line. So these are really pretty. I'm gonna use the highlighting powder for my brow bone. I'm just gonna take it on a small concealer brush. Then I'm just gonna take my finger and kind of pat it to blend in the black shadow so it's not so harsh. So here we go with the Mega Glow highlighting stick in Hello Darkness. I'm just gonna tap this on so I don't take off my foundation. It is taking it off a little bit. I'm gonna try it on my damp sponge. See if that helps. So it is really pretty. I probably wouldn't use this highlighting stick over my foundation again, just because it scares me a little bit. It's kind of sticking, like it wants to take off my foundation. Since I use the white highlighter as a brow highlight, I'm gonna use Purple Ashes. Maybe like right under the stick. So it looks like the stick and this Purple Ashes highlighting powder are the same shade, just a different formula. That is a really pretty highlight. Look at that. Ooh, girl. Okay. So we're enjoying that. Yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use the Black Butterfly liner. I'm using their applicator just so that, you know, if you're not a makeup artist and you don't own a ton of brushes, you'll see how it applies. But normally I would use this with an eyeliner brush. I kind of think that I want to use the purple and the pink. So that's what I'm gonna do. Here is Pink Coffin. Oh, this is the one with the messed up brush. Nice. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna go put on my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, and I brought my eyeliner down to the bottom, so I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild On Edge Long Wearing Eye Pencil in To My Yang. So this is gonna go on my bottom waterline. Oh, and I'm using my Benefit Roller Lash for my bottom lashes. So now let's try the liquid lip. I think for this look, I'm just gonna use the pink because the eyes are so dark. So I'm gonna go with a more neutral lip. As you can see, this is very sheer. So it's pretty sheer, but it's pretty. I like it. Okay, here we go. I'm scared. Whoa. Okay, that's not going all over my face. I'm glad I put it there first. Wow, that's blinding. How could that be a setting powder? You guys, do you see this? Wow. Okay. Well, I'll be using that as a highlight. It's a really pretty highlighter. Wow. Wow. I'm kind of baffled right now. I don't know what to do. If you really love this and love this tutorial, make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you'll get notified every time I upload a video. And I really appreciate you guys being here. This was really fun for me. I love everything shiny and I love holographic everything. So this is kind of taking me back to junior high and high school, and I really love it. But let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll be sure to reply as soon as possible. And yeah, that's it. So if you think it's too much, just put one more thing on. Go dazzle them, doilies.